Hello, my name is Declan Gazil, and this is my cache sim analysis. And just to show you my code and a quick run through. So here's the main.cpp file called cachesim.cpp, and this basically just prompts the user for the certain information, like the different parameters, which we'll show in a second, and then based off that, it provides the hit rate. And it runs infinitely until the user quits out. And then here's the actual data structure and class. And so I used polymorphism, and I started with the cache, and then inherited to fully associative to give each of their own find function based off what they needed. And here's the data structure for the actual cache table. So for fully associative, it's a map from string to int. For direct map, it's a map from string to string. And then for set associative, it's a map from string to vector pair, to a vector of pair of string and int. And so here is all the code for that. And then if we put up an example and we run it, I have some pre-saved input from my tests so that we can run quicker and see multiple. And so if we go back to our command window and then we print these, as you can see here, it asks for the cache associativity type, direct map. We're assuming 2 to 32 bytes memory. Insert the number of bytes in cache, the number of bytes in a block, and then what trace file you'd like to read from. And currently I modeled using the gcc.trace for my tests. And then you can see for set associative, and then it changes the parameters upon necessary, because direct map doesn't use any removal types, so it doesn't ask, while set associative does, and set associative needs the blocks in a set. And so you can see for set associative, and here's fully associative. And then just for another example, here is a removal test that I ran. And we can exit out of this and restart it. And then this will print. And this one's all for fully associative, and it's all using a queue type and then changing the number of bytes in cache. So you can see here 15,000, 5,000, big number. And yeah, so this is how my cache simulation runs. And then when you want to exit, you press and enter Q, and then there you go, it exits. So yeah, thank you.